am putting on my water boots as I am about to go on the riverbanks here in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Okay guys, I'm with Mr. Goss and today we're going to see how he catches shrimp to supply the local market. So Mr. Goss, what is it exactly that you will be showing me today?
Well, I'm going to show you how me jar the pot them and took out the swims them.
Oh,
You, yeah.
Okay, so it's going to be interesting.
Yes, yes.
All right, so let us go.
Okay.
Let's go. But this is actually the first time coming on this side.
What in time, yeah. Not gonna bite it. Yeah.
Wow! Guys, look at this. I'm holding the shrimp. This shrimp is a special type of shrimp?
Yes, they call them the
mountain crayfish.
No, like the hardback.
Oh.
The hardback shrimp.
Yes. You see the aquaculture bring them here.
Yeah, so we have to hold them a particular way. Yeah. It might move the bottom in order for the claws. In order for the claws not to bite. Are you ready to kung fu you?
Yes. Yes. So when we catch it now, we catch them now, we store them in a storing pot.
Yes.
And store them up until whenever time we get certain amount. We sell it out.
Oh, so this is the big one.
Yes, the big one.
Oh, so you normally get sale for them though?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
For them.
Okay. Ooh. So shrimp is expensive?
Yes, it is expensive. 500 another pound.
Woo!
Sometimes.
So guys, shrimp is very expensive.
Yeah.
So you can see now the hard work that goes into getting shrimp, you know. Have to get up early in the morning, set the pot, get the food and all of that. So this is the first pot.